Hey Keith, check it out. Aaron's doing the pee-pee dance again. Yo. What would you call the name of that dance? Yeah, I'd call it the Running Man. Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Just Off the Cuff HVAC. This episode we are diving into one of my MacGyver tricks, which comes in quite handy for those of you that can't find the porta potty. Yes, there is oftentimes in these new residential sites, and or maybe you don't want to use the homeowner's bathroom and you have to go. Well, obviously you've got some privacy using your service vehicle, obviously clear out of space. Great, now you've got your privacy, now where else do you go? So for those that have worked with me, you'll actually know that I carry around with me empty containers of windshield washer fluid, which is obviously pretty self-explanatory for the guys. So ladies, you're stuck out there, and I notice this well too often. What do? You grab yourself a windshield washer fluid bottle, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your number one handy tool in the world, which everyone always asks me what my number one handy tool in the world is. My one go-to tool for everything, well, not everything, but generally to get me started, is my Leatherman Wave. You're going to take said windshield washer fluid bottle, and all you're going to do is you're going to draw out your groin on the other side. Yeah. Pretty self-explanatory from here on in. Using your knife, you're going to cut that out and obviously do your business. Great thing about this is, one, it's sealed on the end. You're not going to get your hands wet, and two, you can throw it away after. All right? Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe and the like button if you found this informative. The whole intent behind this channel is, my goal is I want to actually develop a HVAC technician school. Teaching a lot of the stuff that isn't taught in school, which is a lot of the field experience and exposures. So yeah, please support this channel so that I can build that school and help to start generating the new evolution of technician. Thank you so much for watching. Take care out there. Hey everyone. This segment of Paying It Forward, I'm recognizing another colleague in the field that has some extreme talent and an amazing knowledge base. That may even be an understatement for this cat. Victor Hyman out in Ontario. Big shout out to him. He's currently looking for installation technicians and service technicians with their 313D certification. So if you've got the skills, give this cat a message. And hopefully you guys can connect and maybe you found your dream job. This company also, that Victor's working for, offers apprenticeships, so extra added bonus. Keep rocking, Victor. Thank you so much, guys. Be well to each other. Cheers.